Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to show you guys the trial and error that we did. So the trial was to put the burlap on the longan to protect it from squirrels. But now we noticed that the longans are falling off the tree. So that means that the plant is not getting enough sun. So let me show you guys what it looked like. Exhibit A didn't work. So we're gonna just go ahead and take this off, and either I will cover it with the regular sheer netting, white sheer netting, or just leave it uncovered and see what happens, because at this point I don't want to lose all my longer fruit, but I don't want to make it like everything fall off either and the whole tree is bare, because we want to leave up the burlap. So I'm taking this off, and as you can see at the bottom, the fruit is falling off. You can see there, and even on the ground. So yeah, I don't want that. So I thought with the burlap, the tree would still be able to get sun and still be healthy, but apparently not. Okay, maybe it's too thick, maybe the holes are too small, I don't know. Maybe it's just too thick and it's blocking the sun too much that the tree can't hold the fruit. So I recommend just going ahead and using the sheer white netting, like this one that I have on the fig trees here. And I could use this, but I don't think it's big enough. So we'll see. Let me get one and try it. And we do have some beautiful Bahamas cherry that's ready to pick. And let me deal with this longan. Okay, so I took all the little securements off the burlap, so it's ready to come off. Yeah, watch your face, Tristan. Oh, shoot, I missed one. Okay, so my husband wrapped this, by the way. Yes, I'm blaming him. Wait, no, I'm not. But he wrapped it so nice. I thought this would have been like a good idea. He wrapped it so nice. Look at this, guys. All the longans are falling off. But on top of that, we have squirrels too attacking the tree. So that's the reason why I got covered in the first place. So I'm gonna finish taking this off. And yeah, you see that? We have not that many left. God. It's okay, he got like a knot here. So let me untie this. All right, I took the knot out. As you can see, there's some rotten fruit inside the burlap. And we have a lot more right here. So, and then you got beetles too that's trying to eat the rotten fruit and what's left of it. Like I said, I don't think the burlap was a good idea. So again, error. Pretty much an error. All right, so we're gonna stick to clear netting next time for the pest. All right, so I guess whatever we have left here is what's gonna stay on the tree, and I might not even cover it at all, so it's gonna stay bare like this. Hopefully nothing messes with the rest of them on here. So I just want to show you guys that. Have a good day.